today is a fantabulous day.
I am graduating.
She's graduating.
The Franklin College for Arts and Sciences, which was founded in 1801.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake.
I'm Emily.
And today is a fantabulous day.
I am graduating.
She's graduating.
It's crazy.
Not just graduating. She is done.
Well, for
golly.
for like a year, but yeah.
But
yeah.
On to bigger and better things.
Graduating
Emily,
from UGA.
Summa cum laude.
Yeah.
When I graduate, it'll just be, you know, I barely got there, but that's,
okay.
If I run over one more speed bump, I swear. But anyway, it's graduation. I had to go get a haircut.
Yeah.
And graduation.
We didn't start the video on time, so I took a clip that I'll insert here. Going through the freaking car wash while Jake gets a haircut for graduation. Alright, anyway, need my car looking good for everyone coming. Jake's going to get a haircut. And that's about it. I doubt you can even hear me. So I'm gonna go and we'll catch y'all later.
Okay.
Okay.
The ceremony is tonight at 5:30.
It's at 7:30.
Whatever. And then
Oh.
There's a little smudge of.
Okay. I just got a car wash too.
Well, now you got some hair gel on.
Anyway,
it's graduation
day. You ruined it.
You ruined it.
Day.
Whatever.
All right. Anyway, his parents are in town. My parents are slowly coming into town. And Jake, I'm sitting on the field, so Jake is in charge of this video and getting footage. So if it's a 3-minute video, it's on him, y'all. It's not on me.
Don't blame me. It ain't my fault.
Okay.
It's just I'm so overwhelmed and overcome with emotion that I just cannot even begin to think about that I need to capture it in video.
Well, you're going to.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna, you know. All right, here's most of our footage anyway. But anyway, time to go get ready because we're about to go have lunch with my family.
Yep.
And we'll be back.
I want to take a moment to express my appreciation to the families here for their patience and perseverance through the coronavirus pandemic. Our graduates could not have reached their goals without your support. Thank you.
And to the class of 2021, y'all made it. Now, when I was on campus, I wasn't concerned with too much except for my one job as a volleyball and basketball player, and that was beat Florida. That was it. But I hear that you guys have a saying, what the kids say, you know.
The Franklin College for Arts and Sciences, which was founded in 1801. So the Franklin College of Arts and Sciences is the university's oldest college. Dean Alan Dorsey will present candidates for degrees from the college.
Will these candidates please rise?
By the authority vested in me as president of the University of Georgia by the Board of Regents, I now confer on you the degrees of Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, and Bachelor of Music, for which you have been recommended by your dean and faculty with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Congratulations.
Go Dogs. University of Georgia honors that moment every day, bringing alumni together year-round, worldwide, lifelong. Whether you were a first-gen grad or born wearing red and black, being a Bulldog is more than a memory or even a degree. We're a deep-rooted community, centuries old and over 300,000 strong.
Well,
We did it.
the future Mrs. Jones and that is now a college graduate.
Boy,
The future Mrs. Jones.
don't get excited.
Okay. She did it.
We did it, y'all. It's on the left side. I'm official. The
Officially
only thing
official.
that's
She's officially the boss.
the only thing that's kind of sad is they're mailing us our like diploma leather thing and diplomas. So didn't get it, but it's okay. It's coming.
But
It's a
I'm
long
still
day.
extremely proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're good. All right.
Okay. But it was long. I am so thirsty. I could chug
A big old LDC.
big old LDC right now. I really want to go to the arch and walk through it, but I think we're saving that for another day because one, my freaking band-aids on my heels are coming off and they are hurting. And two, everyone and their mom is at the arch right now walking through it. So we'll do that another time. But very long day. Very
good day.
It hasn't hit me yet, but it will.
Yeah.
And hopefully Jake got some really good footage of the ceremony. that y'all have already seen, and we're about to pass out.
We are. So
after
on
we
that
get
note,
something to drink.
Yeah. So
All right.
on that note, thanks for watching. Make
Thanks
sure
for
that you
watching.
comment. Congratulate Emily on her graduation. Like the video and hit us with the
Subscribe.
good old subscribe.
Yeah.
So
been a big
stay
day.
tuned. We got some big stuff coming. We'll see y'all on the next one.